Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna check out the best LED work lights in the market for this year. I made this based on my personal opinion, and I try to list them based on the price, quality, durability and more information about these LED work lights. You can check out the description below. So let's get started. LEPOWER Super Bright 30W LED Work Light. You can save some money with the LEPOWER LED work lights, which give off 3000 lumens of light output. The floodlight style unit gives off a super bright white light, and it can be rotated 360 degrees horizontally and 180 degrees vertically to suit any task. These LED lights use 80% less energy than halogen bulbs, and they're waterproof, allowing you to use them in a variety of weather conditions. They feature a 15-foot cord, and reviewers love that they're compact and bright. The only common complaint from buyers is that the on-off switch is on the power cord, not the light unit itself. Astro Tools Rechargeable Folding Double-Sided LED Slim Light. For a more compact work light, consider the Astro Tools Folding Double-Sided Slim Light. This rechargeable unit features two 500 lumen lights, one on each side, as well as a 150 lumen top flashlight, and its 180-degree folding design makes it ideal for working in tight spaces. The unit charges via a USB-C cable, and it lasts for more than 3 hours per charge. In addition to its useful folding functionality, the Astro Tools Slim Light has a base magnet, dual handle magnets, and base hook to help you mount it wherever you're working. Its light can even be dimmed, a favorite feature among reviewers. Alert Stamping LED Cord Reel Task Light. Retractable lights like the Alert Stamping LED Cord Reel Task Light are handy if you always find yourself searching for a flashlight. This reel light has a 30-foot cord with a 450 lumen LED light on the end, and the light itself features a top hang hook that rotates 360 degrees, as well as a removable magnet for easy mounting. Plus, there's a grounded outlet in the handle, allowing it to double as an extension cord. The unit comes with real hanging hardware, and it gets rave reviews from buyers who call it one of the nicest LED shop lights they've ever used. Husky 1500 lumens Rechargeable Clamp LED Work Light. Clamp lights are another popular style of LED work light, as they're easy to attach to a wide variety of surfaces. The Husky Rechargeable Clamp LED work light is especially versatile thanks to its cordless design and 360-degree pivoting light. The integrated clamp holds tightly to pipes, doors, framing, and more, and its non-marring fate won't scuff or scratch the surface. This LED light charges via a USB cable, and it delivers up to 6 hours of runtime per charge. It gives off 1500 lumens of output, and you can even lock its legs open, transforming it into a freestanding unit. Reviewers recommend this light for any and every occasion, writing that it's extremely versatile with a strong, reliable clamp. PowerSmith 1800 lumen weatherproof rechargeable LED work light. Another popular floodlight style unit is the PowerSmith rechargeable LED work light, which offers 4 different modes: high, medium, low, and flashing. This unit is equipped with a high-capacity rechargeable lithium-ion battery that delivers up to 2 hours of light on high, and it can hold its charge for up to 18 months in storage. This light gives off 1800 lumens of output, and its head tilts 360 degrees. The L-shaped unit folds flat for easy storage, and it even has a built-in USB port that allows you to charge your phone or other electronics. The light comes with a wall charger, as well as a car charger, and happy buyers say it's a well-designed product that's a jack of all trades around the workshop. Cat Work Lights LED Flood Beam Pocket Work Light. You'll never be without light again when you have the Cat LED Pocket Work Light. This 6-inch LED light may be small, but it still delivers 175 lumens to help with small jobs. The pocket light has a water and impact resistant body, and it has a reinforced pocket clip and a strong magnetic base to keep it in place. The unit runs on 3 AAA batteries, and it can provide light for up to 7 hours straight. Reviewers say these cat lights are brighter than you think, and many note they've bought several to keep around their homes. Cobalt 2000 Lumen LED Rechargeable Portable Work Light. The Cobalt LED Rechargeable Work Light is a cordless unit that can run off the included 40V battery, providing light at work locations, campsites, and anywhere else you might need it. These lights deliver 2000 lumens of output, and the head rotates 360 degrees for increased versatility. They come with a 25-foot power cable that can be used as a backup if the battery ever dies, and they can be hung or mounted on a tripod as well. Reviewers confirm that the Cobalt LED work lights are quite bright, and many like that they can be used wirelessly or while plugged in.